Here's some Witenagemot trivia. Subscribe. What was the role of the Witenagemot? Is it A, judicial body, B, military council, C, taxation authority, or D, advisory council? The correct answer is D, advisory council. In which period did the Witenagemot exist? Is it A, Roman Britain, B, Anglo-Saxon period, C, Elizabethan age, or D, medieval era? The correct answer is B, Anglo-Saxon period. Who typically attended the Witenagemot? Is it A, commoners, B, merchants, C, clergy, or D, nobles? The correct answer is D, nobles. In what century did the Witenagemot begin? Is it A, 11th century, B, 7th century, C, 9th century, or D, 6th century? The correct answer is B, 7th century. How did the structure of the Witenagemot change over time? Is it A, remained constant, B, became less significant, C, became more diverse, or D, became more formal? The correct answer is D, became more formal. What language was primarily used during Witenagemot assemblies? Is it A, Latin, B, Old English, C, French, or D, Norse? The correct answer is B, Old English. What term describes the regional assemblies that mirrored the Witenagemot? Is it A, guilds, B, shires, C, hundreds, or D, boroughs? The correct answer is C, hundreds. What function did the archbishops serve in the Witenagemot? Is it A, tax collectors, B, military commanders, C, legislative leaders, or D, advisors? The correct answer is D, advisors. Which document codified laws influenced by the Witenagemot? Is it A, Petition of Right, B, Doomsday Book, C, Charter of Liberties, or D, Bill of Rights? The correct answer is B, Doomsday Book. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.